Hi guys, this is Massive Gamer times 2.
Watch my dunk.
There's Green Guy, Real Rogers, Echo Jr., and Jack.
I'm finally finna dunk.
Oh, he actually gonna dunk, bro.
Move.
Oh!
Oh, this thing looks small.
Yeah.
Stop.
Oh!
Got him all.
Oh! He made the car.
Jumped off. The
The car was gonna go. Ooh.
The car went up.
Yeah, I saw it. I was like, oh.
You. What?
Okay, Echo, you're it. Peace.
I just counted.
No, you did not.
Yeah, I did.
Echo, you did not count.
Freaking that redhead. That redhead finally gone. Come on, real. You back, bruh? Don't trip this time. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, look. Part four. He freaking tripped like out of his mind. We were right through here. It was right here, dude.
No.
Oh shoot, Echo again. Ah, it's Echo. I'm getting through. Woo! I got that junk. I ran from Echo again. Oh, Rio actually made it. Rio made it. Go get the girl. Go get that girl.
Yeah.
What's her name?
I don't know, Elizabeth, I think.
I really don't know.
Why do I know her name? I know her.
Oh shoot.
Dang, you stuck in the deck.
I don't know. Dummy lady. Oh, Real trapped. He trapped. Real's trapped. Real got tagged. Hey, can I see that? Watch. Oh, junk. Hey,
Made that.
record me, bro.
Okay.
Junk.
Let's go. It'd be real. He be knowing this.
Oh shoot! Oh.
Ooh.
Hey, wait.
Boy, that one sucked.
Stop throwing all that sand.
Woo.
Okay.
He made it, but
Stand in the
wasn't good.
basket, Real. No, that's real. Oh! Okay, let's go.
Let me see the ball. No, not the small one.
What was that?
It was a fake throw.
Okay, Real, you're it.
All right, let me dunk right quick. Is that Elizabeth?
No. Wait, yeah. It is.
Hold this ball.
Oh my god.
Hold the ball.
Dumb girl. Oh, I didn't say that.
Right here.
Oh, lob.
Trash can.
Oh, lob.
Right here.
Lob.
Right here.
Lob. Jump when I throw it.
Right.
And throw it down. Ooh. They got babysitter.
Huh?
Don't you think you should be on there? They got
Throw. Give me
babysitter. Dummy fell on the ground. That dummy fell on the ground. Oh shoot. Real counting for the win. Oh shoot. I made that. Oh, I hit Real on the head though. Oh, jump. I'm getting through here. Going in the woods. Whew. I just cut that. That'd be so country. Woo. Oh, jump. Ah. Oh. Okay. What a beautiful day in Alaska. You know how Alaska people are. Florida.
Tell them why you made it.
I made it because I have skills.
You got a free slip.
What?
Yeah,
Butthole.
yeah, you did. He was trying to get him.
You're a butthole. Butthole.
I made it.
No, he got you.
Who you got?
I got both of y'all.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I got Lane first, and then I got
Lane ain't here.
Remember?
Oh yeah, green guy.
He left. He left.
Green guy.
He just left.
Yeah.
I got green guy, and then I got real. But real was it?
Baseball boys.
Go away, green guy.
Jack, it's it for once.
Did you stop?
What?
You're ruining them.
Yeah, Jack's it for once.
Oh no! I'm part friend.
Look at me.
Echo's a butthole.
Shut it, Kieran.
2.
Hey, dude. Hey, guys. If when Echo Junior 1107 gets a YouTube channel, don't give him any subscribers. He fell. That dummy fell. Ooh. I told you shouldn't give him no subscribers. Oh, I didn't say that. Oh, shoot. I died for that jump. Yeah. I died for that jump. Yeah.
2001.
Move, green guy.
JSS just made it.
Me, real. We are massive real. We are real and you're massive.
No, I just
We're
went
real
easy
women.
on you.
Okay.
Yo, if only you was recording that part where he tripped. He went. Yeah. So guys, let's explain what happened.
Yeah.
So he went through.
Shoot.
I'll demonstrate.
Yeah, whole demonstrate. So he was jumping through the
He
swing.
was like,
He was like this.
and then he went right through and failed.
Yeah,
He was like,
he fell on his
Right.
face.
he was a noob.
Yeah, he knew.
Don't subscribe to him. Leave
Yeah,
his channel.
do not.
He's a fraud.
Do not, dude. Like, he's such a butthole. I thought he stole guns. Nerf guns, I'm kidding.
Oh,
I'm
what
not kidding.
about your crab thing?
Oh, yeah. That was freaking mine first. Then he pretty much stole it, and then I stole it back. And then,
He got it good. He said it's in his room.
and then I'm just like, no, it's in my room, you dumb.
Shoot.
Oh, shoot. Where's Massive going? Where's Real going?
Where's who?
Real going. Why are you going backwards? If you hit your head on the wood, I'm a wow. Ooh! Dummy fell. That rage. He got rage. Oh, shoot. Ah! Bruh. That almost hit Massive. Which is me. What?
Show it.
Oh, he dummy got it that time.
Not. Wait, baseball boy, where you at?
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, Max.
oh, ah!
I'm going to Max.
He said devil dog.
Oh, yeah. He works in Monte.
Yeah.
No,
Me. Max is in the Alaskan yard. Look at him. Look at him. He's attacking Real. He's attacking Real. Can y'all see him? He's freaking attacking Real. I'll go closer because I don't think y'all saw him. He's attacking Real. Ah! Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Bruh. You suck. Oh, bruh. Hey, bro. You dummy. Where you going? Dummy. Oh, did y'all see Echo fall? Hopefully y'all did. Look at Max. Dummy. That's not funny. Attack. Yeah, that's not funny. That's dog abuse. That's a Echo. That's not funny. That's dog abuse.
It's still animal abuse.
Same thing. Dummy.
That scared me.
Dude, that's not cool. Why you got hit in the head?
Oh, you want seconds?
Bruh, that's dog abuse.
Hey, 1 second. When you guys just
I'm
calmly,
sorry. I'm sorry.
when you calmly walk
I'm
to my
sorry,
porch.
Max.
Don't go potty on the lawn, though.
I'm sorry. Echo hit him with a ball. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I mean, look at him. Do you feel sorry or?
Let's go inside.
You feel sorry or no?
I really don't know. What'd she say? Help us decide.
When are you guys go on the porch?
Let Massive go. He a fast runner.
We're massive.
He a fast runner.
Come on, Max. Come on, Max. Come on.
Yo, if he bite me, I'm killing him. I mean,
No,
not killing him.
no, you're not. Bruh. Look at that boy. He's walking. Hey, what up, dude?
Max, it's
I can't believe Echo Jr. did that.
Yo, he like threw
Let
the ball.
go.
And that dog is so
Come
small.
on, buddy. Yeah, look at him. He's small.
Wait, what?
Look how small he
He
is.
smell like a Yorkie.
Come on, dude. Come on. Come on, Max. I'm massive. Come on, buddy.
This wasn't a man's
Waddle.
play.
Waddle.
I guess we could call this
Waddle.
video the animal abuse.
the dog.
Waddle,
The
waddle.
dog was. The dog was.
Max.
The dog.
Come on, Max.
He was abused by you.
Exactly.
How do you feel being abused? Oh, he scolds you. He's like, oh.
What up, dog?
Max be like,
Really? Look at Echo. The dog abusive.
Who is that?
I don't know. Bruh,
I was like pointed.
that was rude. That was rude, dude.
yeah.
She looking.
Go get her.
Let's go.
Reed, go get her. You're like neighbors with her.
Well, Reed ain't here. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Echo.
Hello.
Yeah. I don't know where Reed is. I freaking...
He was
forgetting.
freaking just here.
I know. He has a blue shirt on. With almost like the same pants and shoes as Echo. But they blue shoes.
Because I'm like a cousin.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yo, I thought that was just a boy who lives in the neighborhood, but I never found his house.
I know. I'm coming.
Hello. That log.
You want to come over and play manhunt?
No. My bad.
Okay, dummy.
Okay,
Frick you did.
Wait, did you get that?
Frick you did.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I got that junk. Frick you did. Little crap.
She don't even know we recorded.
Frick you did. Frick you did, bro.
She's on that phone.
Exactly. She like.
She's like,
likes-
I'm a girl.
Frick you
I
did,
don't,
bro.
I don't pick my head up from this phone.
My video's still uploading, so
Duh.
I can't use it.
Dang, boy. Okay.
Okay, I
She
guess
like,
that was.
I don't mess with.
Wait, we can
I
make
guess.
a video. I don't mess up.
I guess that's done.
I guess this
Bye, massive.
I guess this.
Bye, massive family members.